Hey y'all, and welcome to this week's Tip Tuesday. Today, I'm excited to introduce the brand new Advanced Barcode Equipment Search Mode in IndySoft. This feature streamlines how you find assets by scanning barcodes or typing quick codes, saving time and reducing manual data entry. To enable this, first let's head to our system-wide preferences, and under ID options, you're going to see a new one called Advanced Barcode Equipment Search. Simply select it. Let's confirm those settings and we're ready to go. To know that that's enabled, we'll come over to our equipment screen and take a look at our search bar here, and we'll now see a barcode. So now we have it enabled. Let's see how it works. With Advanced Barcode Equipment Search Mode, we're going to automatically check multiple identifiers when you scan or type a code. First, it's going to look at an exact match with our new feature, IndySoft, which is a QR code add-on that can be applied right to a calibration label. When we scan that, now in the system, with this enabled, it's going to take us right to that asset. So really, really neat feature for all of those adapting IndySoft. Now, if it's not an IndySoft search code, it's next going to go to the company ~gauge SN format, which is also a unique identifier. Really utilized for a lot of our commercial calibration labs and for those companies that use multi-company searches. There isn't an exact match for either of those. We're now going to look under the current company's gauge ID. Then, as a next step, it's going to look in the same company's profile page, but going to look for alternate ID, which is often used for commercial labs that work with multiple customers. Still, if there's not a single match, we're going to expand that even further. Finally, the code is truly ambiguous, meaning multiple matches exist in other companies. We're going to show you that as well as a list so you can select the correct asset. Lastly, if the search can't find anything at all, it's going to default to the regular search screen you're accustomed to seeing. So let's consider a quick demo of this. I'll pull open an IndySoft calibration label here, and let's go ahead and scan that into the system. So with my barcode scanner, let's go ahead and drop it in and see what happens. So you can see right here, it took us right to the asset from our IndySoft location. So from our IndySoft, we'll see it's Cal003. And when we scan that barcode into the system, it took us directly to Cal003. For other situations, let's pull up a different one that has maybe ABC company ~Cal002. So it is a specific search term. I'm going to scan that with my barcode and watch it pull it in. And now it took it right to that. Why would we want to use this, right? Let's streamline efficiency. Let's utilize the new IndySoft QR code that we have. And so, of course, best of all, too, it's also going to yield all of those assets that have exact matches across all of your companies. What's really, really neat, now that we've enabled our advanced search function, just want to show you a quick tip that when talking to customers, I feel like is not widely known. In IndySoft, we do have a wildcard search. So if you've ever tried to find something that maybe you don't have a trailing or preceding bit of information, so in this instance, let's use Cal. When I type that in, you're going to see I have a ton of options here. Well, maybe I don't know the preceding 3-digit alphabet code in my environment. If I were to use the wildcard or the percentage sign and then type in other things, it's going to start pulling up anything before that then contains this number. So as an example, I can type in Cal001 and you're going to see all assets that have -001 in the naming scheme. So not quite related to this, but just another helpful tip for a lot of those customers that always wonder, why can't I not just type in 001? Make sure to use that wildcard because that is going to expose significantly more information to you without having to do an advanced search. Well, that's the advanced barcode equipment search mode in a nutshell. It saves time, ensures accuracy for accurate record retrieval, and integrates seamlessly with both new and old layouts at IndySoft. If you have questions or want more details, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks so much for joining me on this Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.